silent place with two swollen faces, a ghost surrounding these four walls. Never has a soul lived comfortably, freezing outside in the light fall rain. Never the same. Children will grow out of their innocent skin. We fall into sin, let the guilt sink and repent just to go back again. It's the circle of life. Getting stabbed in the back with the switchblade knife. Hear the wind blow by, watch the leaves fly across the window. Watch the time go, getting bored, so we count the hours, telling stories about our fathers and the fathers before them. Closing our eyes, we try and fall asleep, but one can't snore with the lack of REMs. So I guess we'll stay up another night with no one but the birds and the crickets and the ghosts to keep us company, to keep us company. Yeah.